ladies, Erica here with Tiny Acorn. I leave for Europe in less than a week. It will be my first time ever going to Europe. This has been a goal of my husband's and I to go to Spain, so I'm really excited about it. But also feeling a little apprehensive about the whole packing thing. Like, I want to pack things that are going to really work for me. So just to be honest, I'm kind of a horrible packer. I just basically throw a bunch of stuff into my suitcase, then hope that it works out when I get there. Today, I am going to have to be super strategic and just really make sure that I am only taking what I'm gonna need and nothing more. Also, I wanna leave some room in my suitcase in case I pick up any awesome vintage items when I go thrifting over there in Europe. Stay tuned to the end. I'm going to style up all of the looks. If you like this video, please make sure to like it. And if you haven't already, subscribe down below and hit the bell so that you're notified when I post a new video. And now, let us pack. So here's a quick little ood. This is actually my dad's shirt, which I can't believe this fit him, but he's a smaller man. I remember growing up and he used to wear this shirt in the 80s. So I paired it with my Wrangler pants. And then these are some new shoes that I actually bought for the trip. These are superga. I'll definitely link these below for you. So another shoe that I'm going to be bringing are these Huaraches that I got from Nisolo. I wanted to get them because I wanted some sandals that I could actually like put insoles in because I have high arches. From what I've heard on the reviews, they break in pretty easily. So I feel like they'll go pretty well with dresses and stuff. Okay, so the other shoe that I packed is actually these. They're called Bobs for Dogs. I kind of did a lot of research on these shoes and found that they have like memory foam support and like really good for walking around. Some of the proceeds for these shoes like go to helping dogs. That's pretty cool too. And you know that I absolutely love my Sutro boots. From what I hear, a lot of people wear Chelsea boots in Paris and Spain, so I think these will be a great shoe to have. Especially if it starts raining or something like that, I can kind of tromp around the city in these. So I'm trying to think of a good shoe that will go with some of my dresses for like nights out. I'm not exactly sure which shoe I want to take yet for that. I think it might depend on the outfits that I end up bringing, but here's a few options that I'm thinking about. So I feel like these are kind of like a front runner for me right now. I think they're very Parisian. Yeah, I think they would be really cute with some dresses. So we'll just have to see what I pack. If not, I think I might take the black heels. I have two different pairs of sandals. I have a pair of boots. I have a pair of tennis shoes and then a pair of dress shoes. So for dresses, I know that I want to take this red polka dot Topshop dress. One of you guys commented that they wear a lot of red in Spain, so I feel like I'll fit in with this dress. I think that'd be really cute. So another dress that I want to take is this Madewell dress that I got a while back. I think that this will be nice to wear if it's like hot outside. It will go cute with those Bobs for Dogs shoes, as my husband likes to call them, Bobs for Dogs. You guys, I don't even want to pack separates because dresses are just so much fun and I feel like I could just wear all of my favorite dresses over there. I'd like to take a green dress too. So I got this dress from these super sweet ladies on Instagram. They sell clothes under the handle Coral and Copper. And they always have a lot of really cute like boho dresses. It's an olive green color with a cute flutter sleeve and I love all the buttons that go down the dress. I feel like I need another one and it's that black Forever 21 dress that I thrifted in my Come Thrift With Me for Paris and Spain video. I think it'll be great to dress up or I can dress it down. So I think I want to take a skirt and I think I'm gonna go with this one, you guys. It's just super comfy. I'm gonna put it in there for now. It's this linen skirt that I thrifted in my Come Thrift With Us video with Janelle. Okay, so I feel like the easiest thing to do now is to pull the pants that I wanna take. Okay, so I'm for sure gonna take these little white shorts from Everlane. I for sure wanna take my Everlane kick crop jeans. These guys will never leave my side. They're so comfortable. So I decided to take my ochre color wide leg pants because I think the ochre is a good color to go for. And they're super, super comfy. So I can imagine just like walking around all day in these pants. I've decided to take my Emmett wide leg jeans from Madewell. And I'm going to take my dark wash Wrangler jeans. The Wrangler pants are a little bit big on me, so that'll be great because it will leave room for more tapas. These are the pants that I'm thinking of taking. I'm also going to be bringing these comfy silk pants, these Topshop Plisse pants, and my secondhand Brandy Melville striped pants. You guys, I am already exhausted. Okay, so as far as blouses go, let me go ahead and show you guys what I pulled as my potential for what I want to take. This Zara shirt that I just got from ThredUp. So this other Zara top that I got from ThredUp. This silk blouse that I thrifted. This is a fun one that I got from Zara a while back. And something about this just reminds me of Spain, so I'm definitely gonna take this one with me. This is a white linen blouse from a clothing swap. My Liz Claiborne two-piece set. I'm gonna be taking the top with me. And this is a shirt that I thrifted with Janelle. And this one, I'm not 100% sure about, but I feel like it's just a great basic. All right, last but not least, this red top that I thrifted. So along with blouses, I do wanna bring some comfy t-shirts, so let's run through them. First, this bodysuit from Topshop that I got on ThredUp. This comfy yellow t-shirt. My plain white t-shirt from Everlane. My Bob Dylan shirt. I love him so much. This is just another comfy t-shirt that I picked up at Nordstrom Rack. Here's one of my favorite t-shirts, a Madewell shirt with a pocket. And lastly, who goes to Paris without taking a trusty black and white striped shirt? Okay, so I need to find some layers. I feel like this is a great piece to take to layer over some of my evening looks. I'm kind of gravitating towards this white cardigan, but I'm also not sure. It is kind of thick. Okay, you guys saw me thrift this. So I am thinking about taking this. So for a jean jacket, I'm just going to bring my classic Levi's. Yeah, I think this will go great layered over anything. So I'm thinking about taking this yellow jacket. This is a Zara find I got in my last Come Thrift With Me online video. And I'll probably bring my jacket that I got from Levi's. I'll probably end up paring down. I feel like I already have too much stuff that I want to take. I have 6 jackets or sweaters, 2 skirts, 4 dresses. I have 4 long sleeve blouses. The rest of these are short sleeve and then tank top. And then my pants and my t-shirts. So that was a lot. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish packing tonight, but I have everything pretty much pulled out that I want to take. I'm going to style up some looks and then decide what I want to take. Hey guys, so day 2 of packing for Paris, and I already feel like I'm gonna make some changes. I forgot to put these jeans in. These are my Everlane kick crop jeans. And so I'm gonna take these instead of my pants from Madewell. So I'm gonna pack these instead. Today I'm just gonna try to figure out what I'm going to bring and style things up. Here I go.
Isn't it something, a sight to see, when the blossoms are taken by the breeze? But I told you I would never leave. A promise is a promise, is a bright rays. Lead you onward, make all you pay. I'll make it the same. So tired tomorrow to mine, and we'll be wild under big blue sky. I'd rather be by your side, covering miles I could take our lives.
So I just finished filming all of the looks and it was pretty tiring. There's a lot of looks, but it really helped to give me an idea of like what's working in this collection of clothes and what's not working. So I'm going to show you the pieces that I decided to leave at home. Okay, so I decided to leave this at home because although it is cute, I feel like every time I kind of just reached for my jean jacket instead of this one, so this one's staying. I decided to leave this at home because I feel like if I were to get cold, I would probably just want to layer on my plaid Levi's coat instead. I decided to leave this at home because I didn't really reach for it a whole lot when I was styling up all of the looks, so this one's gonna stay. And I'm gonna leave my Liz Claiborne shirt at home because I found that I just used a lot of the other shirts instead. And then my silk blouse, I decided to leave this one at home as well. And I'm sure you guys noticed that I never styled these mustard yellow shoes. I feel like they would be good for Paris, but I just felt like my black heels went with everything, and so I wanted to take these instead. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it helped you to figure out outfits for your next trip and what you could pair together. And if you do want to stay in touch with all of the photos that I'm going to be posting for my Paris and Spain trip, make sure to follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Ladies, remember that you are beautiful just the way you are. Bye! Okay, so here's my suitcase. I do have packing cubes, which make this a whole heck of a lot easier. These are my dresses and skirts. And I have a big one here. This is all of my shirts and some of my coats. Here, my pants and shorts, my shoes, and then I have some of my PJs in there. I'm taking this little mini steamer to steam my clothes. It goes in this little bag. It's a nice little device to have when you're traveling. And then I'm taking my backpack, which I'll be wearing on the plane, and my little thrifted Coach purse. So I haven't put my toiletries in here, but this is pretty much what it's gonna look like. There's still a little bit of room in there for taking clothes home with me that I buy while I'm over there in Europe. So I think all in all, very, very successful. And I'm ready to go. Just wanted to share this with you guys. This is my beloved water bottle. It keeps drinks cold and hot for the longest time. It's called Kinto. The reason why I like it so much is because once the top screws off, it has this part. It keeps all of the liquid from like slamming into your face when you're driving, and you can just sip your hot coffee and not worry about burning the crap out of your mouth. I'm gonna try to figure out where to buy these online and link it for you because I got mine from like a little mom and pop shop in my neighborhood.